you. Okay, so hi. I am in Atlanta right now because I had an orthodontist appointment. That's how I got busy. I gotta wear these now every day. So I planned to buy all my fabric here, since it's like Atlanta is like the biggest and best place to buy anything, honestly, because Statesboro has nothing and Savannah had barely anything. So I'm at my first fabric shop. It is a discount fabric store, so it basically sells unwanted and leftover fabric from different places. So I never been in one of these fabric stores, so I'm just really excited. Like, once I get the fabric, that's really gonna tell me like I'm starting a business. Like, this is for real. Like, this is crazy. But yeah, I'm outside right now. I'm finna go in and see what they got. I have some fabrics in mind that I want, and I have some colors in mind that I want, but this is a place that doesn't have a set quantity and a set color, so I don't really know what I'm gonna see when I get here. So wish me luck. Wish me luck. Mounds fabric. This is gonna take forever. I'm by myself. The ones in the store, it's so much fabric, like I have to dig like it's a thrift store. Y'all can hear me. But I found like 2 fabrics I think I want, but I'm gonna still look because I need like, I think like 7 or 8 fabrics. So much. I'm gonna be here until it closes. It's 12:35. Let's see what time I leave out here, and if I actually leave out here with some fabric. I found a fabric. Finna buy this. Getting my first fabric for my brand. Yes, now it feels real. But I'm also creating another project, so I'm gonna be looking around for some fabric for that. It has nothing to do with my brand, but it has something to do with me making clothes. So I just wanted to show y'all the first fabric I decided to choose for my brand. I'm out the store and I only bought 2 fabric, 1 vinyl and 1 fabric, and I thought the fabric that I showed y'all before that I really liked, I thought it was gonna be a lot. I only got 3 yards of it. That's one thing about being a sustainable brand. But since I realized like the yardage is not as much as I thought it would be, I'm gonna go home and digitize my patterns so I can see how much yards I need for each pattern, so I can know how much the minimum amount of yardage for fabric to get when I go to other stores. So I think I'm gonna go to the other fabric store tomorrow after I get done like grading and digitizing these patterns. Hopefully I can finish digitizing these patterns by tomorrow, but if I don't, then I'll just go to the fabric store on Wednesday. So yeah. Hi, today's a new day. Today I'm taking a break and I'm working on some stuff on my laptop. I am digitizing a pattern. This is so hard but accurate. It's just so fine. Like, this is way better than drawing out a pattern. I like both, but I like how accurate this can get because the measurements and all that. But let me show y'all. Digitizing a jacket. I'm just trying to make sure everything lines up where it's supposed to be. Then this is the back. I already made sure that lined up, and I gotta add like the arm and the collar and all that. But so far it's coming along. I already digitized a purse, a shirt, and a skirt, and that was easy. I tried to digitize the corset yesterday. So freaking hard. I'm gonna figure that out later, but right now just digitizing. It's a little hard, but it's worth it. Everything I do, every step I take just makes me feel way more closer to my brand and way more excited about it coming. Like, it's a lot of hard work and dedication, but it seems like it's gonna be worth it. So yeah. Okay, day 2 of shopping for fabric. So on the agenda today, I am going to 2 of my top fabric stores that I found online. The one I'm at now, so much fabric. I haven't even went in and all the windows are covered with fabric, like bolts and bolts of fabric. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find something in here, but here I only have 2 places to go today. And I only want to go to 2 places, period, because I'm not trying to stay in Atlanta forever. So hopefully I find all the fabric I need today. This one is much more organized and it looks so fire. I got a buggy. They got so many different fabrics. I already know I'm gonna find the fabric I want in here, and I'm looking for fabrics for something else I'm gonna make, and probably found what I want. But this store is the best. I'm only on like the 4th row. I still haven't found like a fabric for real, but I got some potentials. So I'm out. It's 12:49. I think I got here at like 11. I got here at 11:07. So I was in there for an hour and 40 some minutes. I ain't get nothing. It had some good stuff. It was just, it had a material I was looking for basically. But I think also I'm being too specific on what I'm looking for. This one has a few good fabrics. It just wasn't, it was either too thin or too stiff, because I want this collection to be like kind of stretchy, and it was a lot of stiff fabrics and fabrics that didn't pertain to like the vibe I'm trying to go for. So hopefully this next one has some stuff, because I drove an hour away. Like I need to find something. So my hopes are so high for that freaking store. I'm not even gonna get my hopes up this time. So I'm not even gonna say wish me luck, because maybe that's jinxing it. So I'm gonna come back when we get there. Day 3 of shopping for fabric. Yesterday my camera died, so I could not record the last store, but the last store I actually bought a lot of fabric from. The last store was not like any of the stores I've been to before in the store I'm at now. It was like a store for like wholesale or something. I don't know, it had way too much fabric to be like a store that only sell dead stock and remnants and stuff. They had every type of fabric you could think of, but the only fabric I could use was the fabrics that were 100% cotton. So that's the only fabrics that I got. So I'm at a new store today, and this store is like the first 2 stores I went to. They only sell dead stock, remnants, and just unwanted fabric. This is the last day of fabric shopping. I'm probably going to be leaving Atlanta tomorrow or the next day, but I'm kind of tired of shopping for fabric. Yesterday I stayed in the last store for like at least 4 hours. I've been in the store for 10 minutes and I already got 2 fabrics. I don't want to jinx it. This might be my favorite store I've been to so far. I'm so glad I came here, because I wasn't supposed to come here. Like, I am so happy I came. Like I got so much ideas from just looking at fabric, like so much more to add to my collection. Like so happy. I'm gonna show y'all. I got 20 pieces of fabric. Best store ever. That was the best fabric store I have been to ever. Literally ever. You have to pick and dig, but like I like thrifting, so it was just kind of like that. And it was like little sections called remnant sections, which is basically like leftover fabric from anywhere. Most of the time it's usually like maybe 3 yards, 1 yard, 2 yards. It was huge pieces of fabric in there, like huge pieces of fabric. Like they was just cutting it and throwing it in there. Like it was so much pieces of fabric in there. Most of the time it's only like one type of fabric, or if you find one fabric you might not be able to find more of it. It was so many of the same kinds of fabric, color and everything. Like it was good. This is gonna be my #1 fabric store that I come to every time. It had so much variety of fabric. It had elastic, it had trimmings, it had everything. This was the best conclusion of fabric shopping in Atlanta. Literally, like, I'm so glad I went here. I wasn't supposed to go here because I was tired from yesterday and I feel like I wasn't gonna find nothing, but never give up. I'm so happy that I came here today. That concludes this business trip, this fabric shopping trip. I am so happy with everything I found and happy with all the stores I've been to. This whole trip I've been to 4 stores, almost an hour away from my house in different locations, but it's all worth it for this collection. Okay, hey y'all, I'm back from Atlanta and I brought all my fabric and I just want to show y'all what fabric I got. And I got like 20 something things of fabric. This is the first thing. This is some fabric I got. It's like a little camo type of situation. And then I just got some black stretch fabric, some gray stretch fabric, and then I got some more gray stretch fabric. It's kind of like t-shirt material. I just love this color. It's just so freaking cute. These are remnants that I'm showing y'all right now. And then I got like a white linen type of fabric, and then I got like this little green like t-shirt. Well, it's like jersey knit fabric. It's not that stretchy. Then I got some green canvas, and I also got this white fabric. I'm going to use this as a backdrop, and that's it out of that bag. And I have so much fabric in this suitcase. Ooh. Let me show y'all. This is all the fabric I got. In there. I was not playing in that last store. I got so much fabric. So I got some black ribbed knit fabric, a lot. This is not a rib knit. And then I got some white rib knit fabric. And then I got muslin for draping and just practicing certain stuff I want to try. And then I got tan canvas woven fabric. And then I got some more black stretch fabric. And I got some gray canvas fabric. And I got some tan canvas fabric. I got white shiny fabric, pretty sure it's satin but beats me. And then white fabric. I got this to use as the backdrop because it does not wrinkle, so I thought that would be good to have. And then I got some white canvas fabric for the backdrop, and I got some black canvas. Can y'all see the vibe with the first collection, like the colors I'm trying to go for? Then I got some more stretch fabric, just more. Just because it was a lot of stretch fabric at the last store I went to. And then, this is the last fabric. I got this. I honestly do not know what type of fabric this is, but it's like a stretch tan type of fabric. Also got interfacing. That's all the fabric I got. Stay tuned to see how I use this fabric and what I make it into. Support my business when it comes out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned for my next video. I don't know what's gonna be next, but stay tuned for my next video. And follow your dreams, chase your dreams, because that's what I'm doing and it feels great. But yeah, talk to y'all later.